Let us download and install Fedora Linux. We are going to begin our installation by going to fedora.org. Website is called getfedora.org. And this is the latest release, which is Fedora Linux 4.1. I'm going to click on that. And it takes us to this page where we have different versions. We have the workstation, we have the server version, and we have the for IoT. Let's just take the workstation. Let's start with the workstation. Download now. And we'll come to this page where you can write it in an image, you can write it in a DVD, but we don't need any of this. So we come over here and we are going to download Fedora Workstation 4.1. If you're using a MacBook, this is what you want to look for, but I am using this is my Windows laptop, an Intel processor, an AMD. I'm going to download Fedora 4.1. Remember, Fedora is released twice a year. So maybe by the time you're watching this video, you have Fedora 50 or 42 or 43. Irrespective of that, it's the same way. You just come and download the latest image and hit download. And I'm going to save that on my desktop. And then I'm going to hit save. So I'll wait for the download to complete. And when the download completes, we'll begin our installation. Very straightforward. The same like the others we've done on this channel. The download just completed, and we'll go ahead and launch our VMware Workstation Pro and begin the installation. VMware Workstation Pro. So to start our installation, we're going to go to New, File, New Virtual Machine, and the typical is recommended. I hit Next, and we'll put the installer disk image ISO. Make sure to look for the image you just downloaded. Mine's on my desktop. It's called Fedora Live. I'll double click on that, select that, hit Next. The name, I would call it Fedora Box. That's how I'm going to call it, Fedora Box. Hit Next. And 20 gig of storage is fine with me. Next. It has a memory of 2 gig. And in that, I'm going to customize this hardware. I'm going to add the memory a little bit. I'm going to go to 4 gigabyte of memory. Then I'm going to come to the CPU. I'm going to give it 2 CPU. Now, if you use the other, it's going to work, but it might be very slow because this is very graphic intensive. It would be on a graphic user interface. It has those displays. So 4 gig of RAM, I have that. I'm able to spare that. That's fine. Close, and I'm going to hit finish. As soon as I power it on, it's going to start the image. And the installation process begins. I don't have much to do. I'm going to click inside the screen. And I'm going to move up to the very first one. Start Fedora Workstation Live 4.1. Enter. And I'm going to say I want to install Fedora. I'm going to click this one, install Fedora. We're going to choose our language. My language is English. Hit next. Continue. And for installation destination, normally it's going to be the 20 gig virtual hard drive we assigned when we were creating this VM. I'll just click here, and it's already checked. You see this check back here? There's nothing you have to do. You don't even have to click. Just click done. And you hit begin installation. That's essentially it. After the installation is completed, we'll go ahead and create some user account, username and password. See you when it's completed. The installation is now completed. We are going to proceed with hitting finish installation. And installation shows yes finished. I will proceed to go ahead and click finish VMware tools, and I will proceed to restart this virtual machine. Now the installation is already finished, so you can carefully ignore this if it pops up. Now click on the power button, and I will go ahead and restart. I'm going to restart the virtual machine. And we're going to start our setup. We'll hit start setup. Next. Next. And I'm going to give my name. My username will be THP. I'm going to hit next. I'll give my password. Next. And I start using Fedora. And if you've done that, that's how easy it is to deploy Fedora Linux. So you can take a tour to look around. But from now on, a lot of our tutorials will use either Fedora or CentOS Stream 9, which are all variants of Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Go ahead and deploy the server and let me know in the comment section how it went for you. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to my videos. If you don't do so, I'm going to be sending you a basket to your house and asking for an offering. Okay, so like and subscribe to my videos. Thank you.